The Victorian London streets were typically foggy, casting long, eerie shadows. Dr. Henry Jekyll, a highly respected scientist, often walked these streets deep in thought. His reputation was that of an honorable gentleman, one dedicated to the finer pursuits of science and moral righteousness. Yet, beneath this admirable facade lay a turbulent inner conflict. In his research, Dr. Jekyll had become obsessed with the duality of human nature. He theorized that within each person existed two distinct identities competing for dominance. Driven by a desire to separate these dual identities, Jekyll dedicated his life to developing a potion that could achieve this. His scientific curiosity replaced caution, and one fateful night, he dared to test his concoction. The moment the liquid burned down his throat, a transcendent transformation occurred. Dr. Jekyll's body hunched and twisted until he emerged as a completely different being, Mr. Edward Hyde. Mr. Hyde possessed none of the moral constraints that shackled Dr. Jekyll. He indulged in base desires and explored the darkest nooks of human instinct with ease. Sinister and sinister Hyde brought fear and despair to all who crossed his path, but gave Jekyll a bizarre sense of freedom. Initially, Jekyll revels in this freedom, compartmentalizing these excursions, believing he could control them at will. However, the allure of living without consequence gnawed at Jekyll, and slowly, relinquishing power to Hyde became effortless, almost natural. The transformation happened without the potion, a development Jekyll found terrifying. This transformation puzzled Jekyll's friend, Gabriel John Utterson, a lawyer and a man of stern morality. He started investigating after witnessing Hyde's violent tendencies and the bizarre request his friend Jekyll had made in changing his will in favor of Hyde. Utterson uncovered a series of violent acts attributed to Hyde and grew deeply concerned for his friend. The tension peaked with the brutal murder of an esteemed member of society, Sir Danvers Carew. Witnesses described the assailant as Hyde, which led to a citywide hunt. Yet, even then, Hyde mysteriously disappeared, only to reemerge in what felt like a gruesome game of chess, challenging Utterson's resolve and wit.